Trick or treat. Welcome, famished familiars. Today we're sinking our fangs into some bloody unusual food pairings. Will these recipes be a trick or treat for the taste buds? Will they be ghoulish or great? Stay tuned to find out. I'm Chef George Hudson, culinary conjurer by day and flavor-thirsty vampire by night. After 15 years haunting Winnipeg's finest kitchens, I've seen the delicious, the daring, and the downright disturbing. We are eternally grateful to our sponsors. This spooky special was made possible thanks to Manitoba turkey producers and Manitoba pulse and soybean growers. Their partnership helps us keep the cauldrons boiling and the creativity flowing as we share the stories behind Manitoba's finest ingredients. Subscribe to join our food and farm-loving community, if you dare. Holy Halloween apples! What do we have here? What kind of trick is this? Turkey and apples in my macaroni and cheese? What a wickedly strange combination. Let us see if this turkey, apple, mac and cheese can satisfy a hunger older than time itself. Wow, that is lovely. I give that 4 out of 5 bats. The turkey, it brings a savory, hearty bite, filling and satisfying beyond any mortal measure. Ground turkey is the leanest type of ground meat and absorbs flavor wonderfully, a true upgrade to the humble comfort fare. And the apples, so sweet and crisp, offer a delicate contrast like a whispered chill on the neck. That perfectly balances the decadent molten cheese, a dish worthy of the night's own banquet. Trick or treat. What's this creepy concoction? A white chocolate smoothie bowl with a secret ingredient? Let me sink my teeth into it. I give this 5 out of 5 bats. Locally grown Great Northern beans are the shapeshifters, adding protein, texture, and creaminess to this sweet dish. Beans? Who knew they could add fiber and micronutrients like folate, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc to your treats? Fried turkey and waffles? Will it raise the dead or put me in my coffin? First, I must add some of my secret sauce. Wow, crunchy, sweet, and savory. A symphony of spooky satisfaction. It's a masterpiece. The secret sauce, I give it 5 bats. Undead approved. Now this looks like a monstrous food mashup. Will it be daringly delicious or a culinary curse? Chocolate peanut butter black bean bites. Beans in dessert again? Who keeps doing this? I guess I'll give it a try, considering the most commonly grown dry beans in Manitoba include pinto, navy, and black beans, and I do like to support local, and Halloween wouldn't be the same without a hefty helping of chocolate. Oh, that's not just edible, that's enchanting. 4 out of 5 bats. Well, there you have it, fiends. 4 freaky food pairings tested by a professional fanged foodie. Final verdict, Manitoba turkey producers and Manitoba pulse and soybean growers, you had us spooked with these combinations that sounded ghoulish on paper, but you handed out 4 legitimately great recipes. Trying something new doesn't need to be scary. Sometimes it pays to be a little daring. The ancient scrolls recipe links can be found in the description should you choose to unearth them. Until next Friday, keep your ovens hot and your garlic far, far away.